You know, when it comes to buying insurance for yourself, for your family, it's really important to work with some people that are reputable, that know their business, and can offer you the best coverage for your situation. Well, today on the show, we're at Brent Harrell Insurance on Lemieux Street in Biloxi. Brent, how are you?
Wonderful, Jim.
It's good to see you. I'm doing fine. Give me a little bit of background, talk about where you are and about your company.
Sure, absolutely. We are at 175D Lemieux Street, downtown Biloxi, right across from the county courthouse, across from Highway 90, Hard Rock Casino, and the same road that City Hall's on.
Okay. Well, you've got some different areas of insurance that we're going to talk about today. And we're going to start off talking to Sammy about some life insurance.
Absolutely.
Now, Sammy, when it comes to life insurance, a lot of people think that it can be very expensive, and that's not necessarily true.
Right, Jim. It's right now, life insurance is less expensive than it's ever been.
Really?
Yeah, and that's because people are living longer.
Now, when it comes to buying life insurance, I know there's different types of policies, and that's one of the things that you sit down with them and look over their, their lifestyle, their needs, and figure out something that'd be perfect for them.
Absolutely. Each person is an individual, and each person has different needs. So we talk to each one individually and find out what their needs are and go from there.
And you work with different companies.
Right. Some of the companies we work with is Mountain Life, Mutual of Omaha, Minnesota Life, AIG, Gerber. It goes on and on how many we have.
Speaking of Gerber, you work with life insurance on children too?
We do, absolutely. And life insurance is a great thing for college planning.
And that's something that a lot of people don't think about, is having life insurance on their children. And you never know when it's something that they, that they may need. Hopefully not, but it's there.
That's right. Life insurance is something that no one really wants to talk about or think about, but it's important, and when something does happen, we'll be there.
That's what they always say. Life insurance is not for me, it's for your loved ones.
Right. The people who buy life insurance are people who love their family.
All right. Well, we're going to talk to Leslie now and find out about supplemental insurance. Leslie Ramon is also one of the agents here. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Tell us a little bit about supplemental insurance.
Supplemental policies come in handy. They kind of fill in the coverage gaps which your insurance doesn't cover. Cancer policies, critical illness, dental, vision, stuff like that. Pays you cash directly, kind of cover your lost income when you're out of work with medical.
So these are things, and you have different ones that you can choose from, right?
Absolutely. They have a couple of them that include cancer. They have critical illness, heart attack, stroke, hospital indemnity, accident plans. So
it's almost like a shopping cart.
Exactly. we find what you need and we build it to suit you.
Okay. Well, and that's something that's very important, that if you need a supplemental plan, you've got so many different ones to choose from. Okay. We're going to talk to Tammy now about under 65 health care. Now, Tammy, a large part of your clientele are people getting insurance that are under the age of 65.
Yes.
Now, tell us about that.
So for under 65 health, it's for anybody who is not yet on Medicare, whether they haven't qualified yet or they're under 65. For those who have either lost a job or their job does not offer insurance, or even if it's somebody who just needs insurance on their child, we're able to help.
Now, you specialize in ACA.
Yes.
What is that?
ACA is your Affordable Care Act, previously known as Obamacare.
Oh, yeah.
This is the insurance plans that are sold over the marketplace. And we are the top agency for Ambetter, which has been the leading ACA carrier in the state of Mississippi. They currently have over 75,000 people in the state enrolled right now. Yes.
That's a lot. And you can work with these people and really promote healthier living for them.
Yes, that's one of the things, especially Ambetter really likes to put emphasis on. They want to encourage people to do their annual physicals, to get their flu shots, to exercise, and in doing so, they have their plan that's called the Health Pays Rewards.
And there's different options that are available through that?
Yes, it's something that comes included with the Ambetter plan. Is to encourage you to live that healthy lifestyle so that you're not living your days going to the doctor.
Nobody wants to do that.
Exactly.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Tammy. I'm going to get over here and talk to Brent again about some more of the great insurance that they have available here at Brent Harrell Insurance. Now, Brent, it's that time of the year for Medicare enrollment.
Absolutely. Starting October 1st. We have annual enrollment period starts for our Medicare Advantage plans. We have a lot of nice carriers here in the state of Mississippi, and it goes from county to county, depending on where you live at, is a carrier you can actually have.
Okay, and of course you've got, as you mentioned, you've got a lot of wonderful carriers that you do work with each one of them specializing in their own different way.
We are very blessed to have carriers, especially with Allwell, who we have a very nice person named Angela Ratcliffe. We also have United Healthcare, who are very special people who help us out. Humana, Aetna, also with Ambetter here. As Tammy was talking earlier, we have the Health First. This is one of the things to help people, go get your mammograms, pap smears, all the wellness visits too. Now we also have what are called Medicare supplement plans. Everybody's heard of ARP, everybody's heard of Cigna, Aetna, companies like that. We really specialize in, and Plan F is going away at the end of this year.
Really?
December 31st.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why it's important to sit down and find out exactly what supplement plans you're going to have available. Again, for the people's needs.
Absolutely.
So that's one of the great things about they have here at Brent Harrell Insurance is they got you covered.
Absolutely. Jim.
Everywhere. And of course, one of the other great things they have going on is they're always involved in the community with a lot of wonderful things going on. Matter of fact, let's check out what they've got going on next month. Well, Tammy, starting out next month, actually starting out next week,
Yes.
y'all have a big event going on out at the mall.
Yes, we will actually be at the Edgewater Mall with Ambetter doing the trick or treat. It's something we do every year. We enjoy it so much. We bring our daughter out there. She's dressed in her costume, handing out candy. Plus, we have all kinds of little goodies with the Ambetter. And then the very next day, our toy drive begins for the Delta. It's also the very first day of open enrollment for ACA. The toy drive is very special. We've done so much with the flooding in Delta.
Right.
And
Well, I know you've got the clothing drive that's still going on.
yes, they did so much for us after Katrina. It's so important for us to give back after that. And we have a lot of clients up there. And then we also will be delivering the clothes on November 15th.
And those are all going up to the Delta where all the flooding is.
Yes.
That's awesome. Well, y'all do a lot of things that are involved with the community. Especially the trick or treat with the kids, the toy drive, not to mention all the wonderful insurance programs that you have for the people. And I want to remind everyone now that open enrollment for the ACA starts in a couple of weeks on the 1st. Open enrollment going on right now for Medicare. So if you want to find out anything about that, about the supplemental plans, you need to give them a call here at Brent Harrell Insurance. They're located on Lemieux Street in Biloxi across from the courthouse. Whether you're needing Medicare, life insurance, or anything along that line, give them a call here at Brent Harrell Insurance.